Hola.
The all-star bird. Reputed to be the smartest bird in the world, this is the raven, a mysterious black creature full of surprises. They can imitate human speech,
Hola. Y ahora tú. Hola.
use tools, and even solve puzzles. They're also social and sometimes downright hilarious. Ravens hold an important place in the mythology and culture of many societies, often seen as spiritual beings or messengers. And check out this bird's clever moment when it was asked to imitate its master's voice.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good job! Mischief, can you say hello?
Hello.
Good bird. Good job, Mischief.